welcome you all to this new video today. Today we are going to see another problem on projection of straight lines, and this problem is also again on a line inclined to one plane and parallel to another plane. So let us move to the question. So this is my question I have given here. The projections, draw the projections of a straight line PQ of length 60 mm. The line is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal plane and it is parallel to the vertical plane. The point P, it is 10 mm above horizontal plane and 50 mm in front of vertical plane. So this is my question today, and let us see how to draw this problem. So again we know that the line lies on the first quadrant. So I am drawing my reference line here. The reference line capital X and capital Y. Above the reference line we have vertical plane, and always on the vertical plane will be representing the front view, and below the reference line we have horizontal plane, and always in the horizontal plane we will be marking the top view. Then to draw the front view of the line PQ, we are given with the point P. So initially we are given with point P, it is 10 mm above HP and it is 50 mm in front of BP. So to draw that, we are going to draw two locuses, that is 10 mm above HP. So above the reference line I am drawing 10 mm and it is 50 mm in front of vertical plane. So below the reference line I am drawing another straight line. So two locuses I have drawn, and I have to locate my point P dash and P. So the front view, it is P dash. I have taken any point on the line locus. So this is my P dash, and directly below the P dash I will be having my directly below P dash I will be having my top view P. Okay, so and the next step, it is given 45 degrees to horizontal plane. So whenever we are given with an angle to the one plane, we will represent that in the opposite plane. So vertical plane, in this 45 degrees will be represented in the vertical plane. So I have drawn a line for the angle 45 degrees. So this inclined line, over this inclined line, I will be drawing my true inclination, that is PQ of length 60 mm. The true inclination I will be drawing an arc here. Through the compass, I will place one end here and the other end will be 60 mm, this dimension. It is 60. So this intersection point, that will be my Q dash. Okay, so the front view P dash, Q dash is drawn here, and I will draw it with my hex. And we all already know it is parallel to the other plane. So whenever a line is parallel to other plane, it will be a straight horizontal line, and Q, it will be directly below Q dash. So I have extended my Q dash to the locus of P, and that intersection point, it will be named as Q. So this completes my problem here. I have drawn the front view P dash Q dash and the top view PQ for the given line. Summarize the question. So I have given with a straight line PQ of length 60 mm. It is inclined to one plane and it is parallel to the other plane. So it is inclined to the horizontal plane and parallel to the vertical plane. So the inclination, true inclination, is 45 degrees. The true inclination will be viewed on the vertical plane, and the true length of the line PQ to be 60 mm. That will be viewed on the vertical plane again. So once again, to repeat the problem, first step, I will locate the front view P dash and the top view P of the point using the positions given here. It is 10 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP. So 10 mm above HP, I will draw a straight line, and 50 mm below HP, below VP, I will draw another straight line. So this is 10 and this is 50. Over this line, I will make any point to be my P dash, and directly below P dash, I will be having my P. Okay, so this is the front view of the point, and this is the top view of the point. And to draw the Q dash, I will draw a line, inclined line 45 degrees, and over that inclined line, I will cut an arc at a distance of 60 mm. So this 60, the point where my arc cuts, will give my Q dash, and directly below Q dash, I will be having my Q. So this straight point. To join my P dash Q dash and to P and Q will give me the front view and top view of the straight line.